Right now I am wearing the Noova neck massager. This massager is fantastic. Comes in a beautiful box. It's got a ton of features, let me tell you about them. So once you open the box, you'll notice the machine. It's right there. It comes with a remote control as well as a little spray bottle. That spray bottle, you just fill it up with water and you spray it on the nodes, on the copper area. You want to have that wet when it conducts. Or you can also use an aloe vera gel, but I like that they send you a little spray bottle with it. So I'd like to also thank Noova for sending this to me to review. I really appreciate it. It's a great addition to my healthcare routine, especially when it comes to my neck health. It also comes with this remote control, and it comes with an extra battery. So it's already a battery in there, but it comes with an extra battery as well, so that you are able to use that remote control. All you got to do is put it on, you turn the machine on, and then you can test the different modes with it. Always make sure you go how you feel. Start a little lighter before you go heavier. It also comes with extra electrodes. So it's got these 2 electrodes. All you got to do is just add the cord to it, and it plugs directly into the machine. So you could literally do this on your whole body. So you could reach around and get the backs of your shoulders or your abs, and all you're going to do is you're just going to peel that plastic off of the back and attach it. And when you're done, I recommend hanging onto the plastic piece and reattaching it to the plastic again. You can reuse the electrodes over and over and over again. So fantastic machine, really, really works. What I like about it is the different modes that it has. What I also like is that I can feel it. It does different motions. So it kind of does a thumping motion. It does some kind of slight electric, like stimulation, but it doesn't feel like electric. I don't know how to explain it. It feels like massage. It doesn't feel like tingly. If it is feeling tingly for you, maybe add a little bit more water and make sure that the nodes are connected really well to your skin. And yeah, fantastic, really easy to use.